Hello everyone. Let's continue with the chapter Surface Areas and Volumes class 10th. Learning outcomes. After watching this video, you all will be able to recognize 3D shapes, that is cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere and hemisphere. You will also be able to recognize the combination of two solids, and you will also be able to calculate the surface areas and volumes. Let's do exercise 13.2 today. Question number 1. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Radii is plural of radius, right? Now you can see in the figure that this red one is a hemisphere and on the top of it there is a cone. Both have the same radii. So let me mark the radii for both. Suppose this is the base and this is the radius, and this is equals to 1 centimeter for both, and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Now this is the height of the cone and this height is equal to its radius. Since radius is 1 centimeter, so this means the height is also 1 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. It means we do not have to substitute the value of pi in the answer. So let's define radius and height. Radius, since both the radius for both the solids are same, so let's write radius equal to r equal to 1 centimeter, and height of cone is equal to h equal to 1 centimeter, since it is given that the radius and the height are same. Now we have to find out the volume of the solid. So volume of solid, how can we find the volume of the solid? We have to add the volume of hemisphere and volume of cone. So volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. After this, we'll write the formula. Formula for volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let's substitute the value. 2 by 3 pi, r is 1, so let's write this. 1 by 3 pi, r is 1 and h is also 1. You must have noticed that I have not taken common. The reason being the radius and height, since it is 1 centimeter, so it is easier. It will be easy if we do it directly like this. Otherwise, if you want to take common, you can take that. 2 by 3 pi, cube of 1 is 1, plus 1 by 3 pi, square of 1 is 1 into this. So that is, we have 2 by 3 pi plus 1 by 3 pi. पाई की वैल्यू हमने इसलिए नहीं सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में लिखा है फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड इन टर्म्स ऑफ पाई, राइट? सो लेट्स टेक एलसीएम. सो 2 पाई plus 1 pi equal to 3 pi by 3. These three will be cancelled out, so this is equals to pi centimeter cube. So this is the answer. So the volume of this solid is pi centimeter cube. Now let's do question number 2. Question number 2 is, Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends by using a thin aluminum sheet. So this model is made up of cylinder with two cones. You can see in the figure there are two cones on each end and there is a cylinder, right? The diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. Diameter अगर 3 centimeter है, so its radius will be 1.5 centimeter, that is half of 3. So let's write here radius is equals to r equal to 3 by 2. आपने इसको डेसिमल में चेंज करना कर लो, अदरवाइज रहने दो. And its length is 12 centimeter. Length means from this point to this point. This length is 12 centimeter. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeter, height of this is 2 centimeter. This is also 2 centimeter, right? Find the volume of the air contained in the model that Rachel made. Assume the outer and inner dimension of the model to be nearly the same. right? So they are saying it's a dimension outside and inside it is nearly same. अब बेटा यहाँ पर this is 2 centimeter, this is also 2 centimeter, so it means 12 में से हम ये वाला 2 भी माइनस करेंगे, ये भी 2 माइनस करेंगे to get the height of the cylinder. So let's write this. Height of cylinder is equal to h. So how can we find 12 minus 2 minus 2? The height of the cones will subtract. So we'll have 8 centimeter as height of the cylinder. Now we have to find out the volume of this model. So जो rocket का जो model का अगर हम लोगों ने ये बताना है कि इसके अंदर कितनी air है, so it means we have to find the volume. How can we find the volume? By adding the volume of this cone plus volume of this cylinder plus volume of this cone. So volume of air in the solid, therefore volume of air in the model, in this model is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. Since there are two cones, volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Let's do one thing. We'll take capital H for the height of cylinder, and for height of cone let's take small h, because both the heights are different. Height of cone equal to h is equals to 2 centimeter. So let me raise this small h. I write capital H here. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi small r square small h. Since there are two cones, we can write twice of this. Now let's take common. Since radius दोनों के same थे, तो हम लोग r small r ही लिया है. So pi r square common लिया, अंदर बचेगा h plus 2 by 3 into small h. Now what do you do? Just please watch, pause this video, substitute the value and find the solution yourself. So for the time being I am doing it. R is 3 by 2 since it is r square, so I am writing 3 by 2 twice. Capital H is 8 plus 2 by 3, small h is 2. So this is equals to 99 by 14, and this will be 24 plus 4 by 3. So this is equals to 99 by 14 into 28 by 3. This will be cancelled out. 14 ones are 14 twos are, so this is 66 centimeter cube. So it means the volume of air in this model is 66 centimeter cube. Now we'll do question number 3. Question number 3 is a gulab jamun contains sugar syrup. Sugar syrup में जो उसकी जो चाशनी होती है on up to about 30% of its volume. गुलाब जामुन, एक गुलाब जामुन में जो शुगर सिरप है इट इज 30% ऑफ इट्स वॉल्यूम. दैट इज एक गुलाब जामुन की जितनी वॉल्यूम है उसके अंदर उसी की वॉल्यूम का 30% इज द शुगर सिरप. फाइंड अप्रोक्सीमेटली how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends. आपने देखे होंगे कि गुलाब जामुन दो टाइप के, एक तो गोल होता है और एक थोड़े से लंबे वाले होते हैं. सो नाउ दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सच टाइप ऑफ गुलाब जामुन विच इज सिलेंडर एंड हैज टू हेमिस्फेरिकल एंड्स. गुलाब जामुन की लेंथ है 5 सेंटीमीटर and its diameter is 2.8 centimeter, and they have written C figure 13.15. Figure is given in the textbook, so I have copied this from NCERT textbook to show you the figure. Let's visualize one gulab jamun which they are describing in this question. Suppose this is the gulab jamun. मैंने इसको थोड़ा सा enlarge किया है ताकि आपके लिए visualize करना और समझना थोड़ा सा आसान हो जाए, right? This is one hemispherical end, this is one hemispherical end, and this is another hemispherical end, right? क्योंकि क्वेश्चन के अंदर यही लिखा हुआ था, two hemispherical end और each shaped like a cylinder. अब इसकी लेंथ है 5 सेंटीमीटर, that is from this to this point it is 5 centimeter and diameter is 2.8 centimeter. So the radius will become half of 2.8. So radius को हम लोग लिख लेते हैं 2.8 by 2, that is 1.4 centimeter. So that is, this is 1.4 centimeter and this is also 1.4 centimeter. अब हमने निकालनी है length, height of the cylindrical part. So how can we find the height of the cylinder? Height of cylinder can be found as, अब 5 में से this 1.4 will be subtracted and this 1.4 will be subtracted. So that is 5 minus 2.8, which is equals to 2.2 centimeter. Right? Okay. Now we have the radius. We have the height also. So first we will find the volume of gulab jamun. Then we'll find the volume of the sugar syrup. Right? So volume of one gulab jamun. How can we find? Volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. Right, volume of cylinder, that is pi r square h, and volume of two hemisphere, that is 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. Let's take common. So we have pi r square h plus 4 by 3 r, 4 by 3 r centimeter cube. Now this is the volume of one gulab jamun. How many gulab jamuns are there? There are 45 gulab jamun. So instead of finding the volume here only, we'll do in bit simpler way. So let's write, therefore volume of 45 gulab jamuns. वन का है हमारे पास, 45 का निकालना, तो we will multiply this by 45. So 45 pi r square h plus 4 by 3 r centimeter cube. Right? अभी हम इसके अंदर वैल्यूज नहीं डाल रहे. उसका रीजन है, अगर आप वैल्यूज अभी आप डालोगे तो आपका कैलकुलेशन पार्ट थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. तो आप हो सकता है कोई आपसे गलतियां ना हो जाए, कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक्स ना हो जाए. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द question may find approximately how much sugar syrup is there. So it is 30% of its volume. So let's write, so therefore volume of sugar syrup in 45 gulab jamuns. So it is equals to 30% of volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Right? So 30% sign हटेगा, denominator में 100, off means this, and volume of 45 gulab jamun is 45 pi r square h plus 4 by 3 r. After this, now we will substitute the value. अब हम लोग value substitute करते हैं और इसको solve करते हैं. So I'm just इसको color change कर देते हैं. So this is equals to 30 into 45. The value of pi is 22 by 7. R square, R is 1.4. I'm writing it twice. Small h is 2.2. This is h 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into small r, which is 1.4. Now do the calculation yourself, right? जब आप इस सभी को सिंप्लीफाई कर लोगे तो आपको सिंप्लीफाई करके मिलेगा 338.184. I have not simplified myself. Do it yourself. You'll be able to do it. Right? So this is 338.184. Since in question it's written find approximately. So let's write its approximation. This is 338 centimeter cube. So that is this much volume of sugar syrup is required for 45 gulab jamuns. Now let's do next question. Question number 4 is, a pen stand made of wood is in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. आपने देखा होगा जितने भी पेन्स होते हैं उनका जो जहाँ से the point where we write it's a conical. So pen stand में ये जो यहाँ पर है these are conical depression so that these can hold the pens. So this is the cuboid and it has conical depressions in it. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm by 3.5 cm. जब भी इस way में लिखा होता है it means firstly they are talking about length, then breadth and then height. So that is length of the cuboid is length of cuboid equal to small l equal to 15 centimeter, breadth of cuboid equal to small b is equals to 10 centimeter and height of cuboid equal to small h equal to 3.5 centimeter, right? So this is the dimension of the pen stand. Further they are saying the radius of each of its depression. अब जो depression है it's conical, so the radius of cone, radius of cone equal to small r equal to 0.5 centimeter and its depth. अगर आप ऊपर से नीचे देखो तो वो डीप है, नीचे से ऊपर देखो तो हाइट है. सो डेप्थ और हाइट बेसिकली दे आर सेम. सो डेप्थ ऑफ कोन जो कोनिकल डिप्रेशन है उसको आई एम राइटिंग कैपिटल एच क्योंकि स्मॉल एच आई हैव कंसीडर्ड हियर. So this is equals to 1.4 centimeter. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. See figure 13.16. Again, the figure for this question is given in NCERT, so I have copied from the NCERT textbook. अब ये जो पेन स्टैंड है वो बना कैसे? क्यूबॉइड में से 4 कोनिकल डिप्रेशंस किए गए हैं. So that is we have to subtract the volume of 4 cones from this cuboid. Then only we'll get the volume of pen stand. Volume of wood in pen stand, volume of wood in pen stand is equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 conical depressions. So I'm just simply writing volume of 4 cones. Cuboid की वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला इज लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाइट. क्यूबॉइड के लिए क्योंकि मैंने जो वेरिएबल यूज किया है स्मॉल एल स्मॉल बी स्मॉल एच माइनस वॉल्यूम ऑफ 4 कोन्स. एक कोन की वॉल्यूम का फॉर्मूला होता है 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर. कोन की हाइट को मैंने कैपिटल एच दिया है. सिंस दे आर 4 कोन्स सो इट विल बी multiplied by 4. So now we will substitute the value. This is 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus it will become 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 r square, that is 0.5 into 0.5 and capital H is 1.4. आप इस ब्रैकेट को सिंप्लीफाई करोगे आपको आंसर मिलेगा 525 और इस ब्रैकेट को सॉल्व करने पे आपको आंसर मिलेगा 1.47, राइट. 525 माइनस 1.47 इज 523.53 centimeter cube. So that is volume of pen stand is 523.53 sorry 0.53 centimeter cube. Do the calculation part yourself. It's very easy. You'll not face any problem. Now the time for home assignment. Today's home assignment is you have to do examples 5 and 6 of this chapter. Examples 5 and 6 are given after exercise 13.1 and before exercise 13.2. Every example and every question of this chapter is very interesting. Try to do this. You will enjoy doing this chapter. Thanks for watching.